Hey guys, this is Jamie with PC Monkey. We're bringing you a do-it-yourself tablet video today. We're working on a Samsung Galaxy Tab E. We're going to be showing you how to factory reset it two different ways. One way from the home screen. We're also going to show you a way to factory reset it if you can't get here. If your tablet's not turning all the way on, if it's currently in power off, we'll show you a way to get at it through the back end that way. So the first way is pretty easy. Let me zoom in here. We're going to scroll up. You're going to get to your apps. We're going to go to your settings. Click on your settings app. Down here on the left hand side there'll be a lot of different fields. We're going to go to general management. On my tablet it's third one from the bottom, but you're going to go to general management right here. Tap on that. Then on the right hand side it'll give you some options. This one here is reset. And then it gives you some different options again. Reset settings, reset network settings, factory data reset. That's what we want. Factory data reset. So then it lets you know you're going to lose all these things. You're going to lose all your data. We're going to hit next. Now it's going to ask you your password again. And then it asks you one final time, just so you know, all your personal information and downloaded apps will be lost. And then you hit delete all. And you keep following these prompts to your factory reset. Now that again is how you would factory reset if your tablet's working correctly and if you can get to the home page and if you can navigate like I'm doing. Assuming you can't get into your tablet, so we'll go ahead and we'll shut this off. Power off. Okay, so we'll go ahead and shut this tablet off for right now, and then we'll show you a way to get it from the back end. So if you can't get into your home page, if you can't get your tablet working and you want to factory reset it, we'll show you how. And this applies to most Samsung devices as well. So on the side here, you have your power button and you have your volume up and down. So we're going to hold down the power button, the volume up button, and your home button all at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to put it sideways so I can do this easily. So I'm going to push down on my power, my volume up, my power, my volume up, and at the same time I'm going to hold down my home button. So 1, 2, 3. So I'll hold those down for a few seconds. So your tablet's starting up, keep holding them down. Oh, and there you go. This is the screen that it'll take you to. I'll zoom in here for you. It says reboot system now. And then you just keep going down with your volume key. Reboot to bootloader. Keep going down right here. Wipe data, factory reset. That's what you want. So hit your home button to select. Oh, I'm sorry. The power button to select. My bad. And then it'll ask you to confirm. Warning, this action cannot be undone. It'll wipe all your data. Scroll down with your volume key to yes. Power button to confirm. And then it starts going for you. And now it's formatting it, it's wiping everything. So that's two ways that you would factory reset your tablet. And again, this applies to most Samsung devices. Specifically, we were using a Galaxy Tab E today. But this applies to most Samsung tablets and phones. If you have any questions, please leave them. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Check the frequently asked questions as well. And if you enjoy do-it-yourself electronic repair, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.